गवर्नमेंट विल इम्प्लीमेंट सेकेंड ARC रिकमेंडेशंस. अगर सेकेंड ARC रिकमेंडेशंस इम्प्लीमेंट करें तो 26 ईयर्स मैक्सिमम एज होगी. तो आप इमेजिन कर लो हाउ सीरियस इट कुड बी इफ़ यू डोंट रेज योर वॉइस. तो हमारे कंट्री में नॉट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ COVID-19, इवन बिफोर COVID-19 देर आर सेवरल प्रॉब्लम्स टू द स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी. दैट इज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्राइसिस. So in our country, when we ask any question to the government about unemployment, government will say we don't have any data. Okay, and at the same time, government has suppressed the NSO data, National Statistical Office. So government even suppressed the data when reports came that the unemployment is at a 40 years high. So you just imagine, you are not just fighting COVID-19, and at the same time you have to fight scams, you have to fight paper leaks, you have to fight several other discrepancies in the competitive examinations. So you must have read in the newspapers, be it UP TET exam, be it railway exam. Okay, so and at the same time several other exams, even Haryana Public Service Commission, their state civil services, there we have witnessed irregularities. So unemployment crisis is all-time high, 40-year high, according to the NSO data. Even several labor surveys also mentioned it. But this government is in deep slumber, and they are not even responding to the youth problems. In our country, the median age is 29 years. So you just imagine, if the median age is 29 years, the competition is going to be extremely high. So if the examination process is not fair, then how come you expect a genuine candidates would enter the system? So what we need is a robust examination system. What we need is a free and fair examinations. What we need is a faster process. For example, just to conduct one examination, hardly government has to take 1 year, but the recruitment process is going on 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So in the meanwhile, many students they are aging, and at the same time they are getting demotivated. They started losing their self confidence as well. So at the mental level, at the financial level, everywhere they are getting adversely affected. So even UNESCO said that the education system across the world was battered. So that's why even UPSC aspirants or any other competitive examination aspirants, they are also got adversely impacted. Some people have crossed their age limit because each one of us have seen in the social media how people ran from pillar to post for the oxygen cylinders. So how can you expect the students to study in those anxious moments? So basically this is not a protest. This is basically a collective voice of unrest. So this is basically a collective unrest, collective anxiety, and collective pressure being put forth by the student community. So you should raise your voice on the social media. What are we discussing on the social media? We are not discussing the major issues which is getting impacted to the people. We are discussing about petty issues like religion or hyper nationalism. So let's talk the real issues. So being an awakened citizen, each one of us should contribute not only to this protest because it affects each and everyone. आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा ये सिर्फ यूपीएससी वालों की एज लिमिट के लिए या अटेम्प्ट्स के लिए कर रहा है. Even I do have attempts. Age is on my front, but still age is on my front. So age is on my favor, but still I came here because it's my ethical responsibility to question the government. So बहुत लोगों को ये लगता है आर वी एंटी गवर्नमेंट. नहीं, हम एंटी गवर्नमेंट नहीं है बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वी आर लिविंग इन द पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी. वी हैव टू सी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. अगर क्वेश्चन गवर्नमेंट से नहीं करेंगे तो किससे करेंगे क्वेश्चन? So obviously government is the custodian of the public trust and public resources. Government is having the machinery. So obviously each one of us has to question the government. Please आप लोग आ जाइए, please बैठिए, please support us. दिस इज अ जेन्युइन प्रोटेस्ट. इसमें कोई पॉलिटिकल इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. हमारा कोई 1% भी सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ऑन माई साइड आई डोंट हैव एनी सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट बिकॉज आई जस्ट केम हियर टू क्वेश्चन द गवर्नमेंट विच इज इन द डीप स्लम्बर. So you should, from tomorrow onwards, you should on the Twitter, on the Instagram, everywhere, on every social media platform, you should question the government about all-time unemployment. 40-year all-time unemployment is there. तो आप लोग इमेजिन कर लो ये जो डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड है ये डेमोग्राफिक डिजास्टर टर्न हो सकती है. सो वी आर सिटिंग ऑन द टिकलिंग टाइम बॉम्ब. So if you don't question the government now, if you don't seek answers from the government on the genuine issues, definitely you will remain in the vicious cycle of poverty. आप लोगों को लगता होगा मैं 15 घंटे पढ़ लूँगा, 16 घंटे पढ़ लूँगा, ठीक है, लाइब्रेरी में जाके आप लोग पढ़ते हैं, इवन